What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Taste of the Danforth 2026 here in Toronto. We came down on a Sunday and honestly the vibe was really good. There were tons of people out, families walking around, friends hanging out, and everybody just seemed to be enjoying themselves. One of the first thing I noticed was how relaxing everything felt. Even with all these people around, it didn't feel overly stressful or chaotic. It had nice Toronto summer festival atmosphere, people eating, walking around, listening to music, just enjoying the day, you know? You could definitely feel the community vibe here. It was definitely a lot hot today, but luckily we had a nice breeze coming through. The wind actually made it pretty comfortable, especially when you're walking around and checking everything out. So overall, weather wasn't bad at all for Sunday Festival. Of course, you can't come to Taste of Danforth without talking about the food. There was Greek food everywhere, grilled meat, Slovakia, Euro, seafood, pastries, and all kinds of different dishes. There were so many options that you could easily spend the whole afternoon just walking around and trying different things. This is definitely the kind of festival where you want to come hungry. There was a lot of families here today, which was really nice to see. You had people all ages walking around, enjoying the festival. Even it was busy, it still felt pretty stress-free. Everybody seemed to be in a good mood, and that really added to the experience. For me, it was just getting out on a Sunday and experiencing everything, something different. Sometimes you don't need anything crazy, just good food, good weather, people around, and good atmosphere. I wouldn't say it was the most amazing festival I've ever been to, but it was definitely a decent time. Overall, I enjoyed myself and I'm glad I came out. If you're into Greek food, street festival, and just getting out in Toronto, Taste of Danforth is definitely worth checking out. The atmosphere was probably one of my favorite parts. Lots of people, lots of families, and really relaxing vibe. The food selection was great. The weather was decent. Overall, I had a good Sunday. I definitely say it was a solid experience. So, let me know in the comments if you've ever been to Taste of the Danforth. What's your favorite Greek food? Slovakia, Euro, grilled meats, seafood? Let me know. And if you enjoy coming along with me, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Enjoy the rest of the video. Till then, peace.
Oh, it's a crux and stuff.
Alright, let's go.
have them right now, but there's like tons of different flavors. Huh? That's what I'm saying. So. Cookies and happiness. Of course you would.
I'm really jobbing up stuff like this. Yeah, we should have more than enough room. But if we're going
This is monkey fish sushi. Ah, yeah, you popped up.
Alright, Zero, you want to have scorpion sandwich? He actually will go out and do his back whenever he needs to be done in the back. Yeah, yeah. So he has done some of those.